All right, here, and took my $10. It's not wanting to take my dollar bills. I was down to $3, and luckily I had a $1.25 in quarters. I'm down to $1.75. This thing will not take my ones. But then they'll keep spitting it out. It took my $10, but it won't take my ones. So yeah, we're out here once again looking for the river monster. Okay. Shit got real quiet like. There was fish behind us. Maybe they don't like it here because it's 5 foot deep. All right, stay tuned. Our tournament partner, take your time, brother. Oh yeah, dude, we're on them. Look at my screen is fucking lit up. Take your time, player. Hell yeah, with the new pole, baby. All right, yep.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Yeah, let me. Oh, that's a nice bass for Lake Oroville, son. That's a nice bass for Lake Oroville. That's a nice bass for Lake Oroville. Yep. Get him in the mouth, son. Get him in the mouth. That's a nice bass for Lake Oroville. What hold on, let me take a pic. Yeah. What were you using?
Cinco.
Weightless?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
You get it?
That's awesome. Got it, dude.